I'm gonna get the forge hot. Student arrives in just a few minutes. Roland is here. Great to see you. And he has a gift too. So let's open this. Woo! Very nice. Very nice. What a great gift. Okay, so I need to apologize. Roland, where are you from?
Slovakia.
Slovakia.
Yeah.
For saying Slovenia, I apologize. Now we've got a 3.5 pound hammer blank in the fire, warming up, and that's what we're about to move on and do. Roland is a 16-year-old knife maker from Slovakia. That's awesome. That's fantastic. He's come all this way. He gave me that beautiful gift of a beautiful dagger that you definitely don't want to get stopped by a policeman with when you're here in the United Kingdom. And it is an honor to have that, and it's a great pleasure to have you here. So, we will resume to some of that metal squishy goodness in just a sec. Menu handle, time to install it. Right, you ready, Roland? Ready to go. Installing the drift and using it as a support, as an anvil inside the hole as we forge the faces of the rounding hammer to forge it to finish.
But
Isn't that a beautiful hammer? How are you feeling? That looks freaking awesome.
Stunning, yeah. Awesome.
Good stuff.
Thank you.
Right, we're gonna go ahead and stop and have lunch. And then get cracking on with some more stuff once this is cool. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we've eaten lunch. I've now got a piece of 16mm EN24 5/8 4340 bar in the forge, and we're gonna do some hand tools. What do you think?
Just awesome. I'm really happy.
It's a beautiful hammer. So the courier has turned up to pick up Trig's forge. So let's see how that goes. Sad to see her go. Happy to see her go to a good home. Great stuff. What a great day's work. I'm very impressed, Roland. You did fantastically. What a great day. We achieved a lot, made a whole load of tools. Outstanding. I'm very impressed at how well Roland is picking up the techniques and picking up the forging. Love it. Love the confidence at the anvil. It's great. And I just can't wait for tomorrow. It's going to be another great day. Please, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like, comment, share it with those friends of yours that think would really love to see some hot metal being forged. Share it in some blacksmithing groups on Facebook. And guys, of course, I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hey guys, it's Alec. Thank you so much for having a look at this video. I want to let you guys know I do a whole lot more videos pretty regularly too. You can go ahead and check out the last video by clicking right here. You can have a look at my tools right there, and if you want to come learn blacksmithing online and you can't come take a private or group class, go ahead and click right here to go to beginblacksmithing.com. I want to also let you know that you can follow me on social media and see all this stuff behind the scenes. You can go to Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. But guys, I've got to go ahead and get back to work. So I'm going to go ahead and light the forge, and I'm going to make some more videos for you guys. See you in a little bit.